Before coming to VBS, I thought success is a solo journey, a race against the clock to get the best grades. But here I've discovered that it's more than just hard work. It's about the people you meet and the connections you forge. Hi, I'm Sakshi Ghadge, a first-year PGDM student of Vivekanand Business School. VBS has been a treasure trove of opportunities to connect with incredible people. I've had the privilege of meeting alumni and industry leaders who have become mentors and friends. Remember that time I was completely lost about my career path. An alumnus, Raj Vaidya, who is currently working with Morgan Stanley, took the time to share their own journey, offering invaluable advice that gave me a fresh perspective. Or those inspiring guest lectures by industry leaders. Hearing Dr. Vidhi Bhanushali, co-founder of ScanO, speak about the future of AI ignited a passion within me. It was more than just information, it was a spark that ignited my own ambition. These connections aren't just about professional growth, they are about personal growth too. I've learned the power of networking, the importance of building genuine relationships, and the value of a strong support system. VBS has taught me that success isn't a destination, but a journey. And it's a journey best traveled with great company. So if you're looking for a place where you can connect, learn, and grow, join us at VBS.